Eggs with potatoes is one of the well-known dishes in many countries, whether Arab or even Western, and this delicious dish is prepared through many different methods and also through various additions. It is possible to put cheese or bechamel on it according to the desire to increase the nutritional value of the meal. Many studies have confirmed that potatoes are among the meals that contain a lot of proteins of high value, and by adding eggs to potatoes, the body greatly helps to benefit from those proteins, and the potato meal is absolutely one of the snacks that do not contain a lot of calories, but on the condition that it is grilled in the oven or boiled over steam, and putting an egg on boiled or grilled potatoes increases the proportion of proteins in it. It makes the body more able to take full advantage of that dish. It should be noted that this dish is one of the distinguished dishes that are suitable for lunch or dinner, as it works to provide the body with more energy and also contributes to raising the metabolic rate and burning more calories. And studies have confirmed that eating eggs regularly is one of the things that contribute to suppressing the appetite, and the best way to get the benefits of potatoes with eggs is the following method. 1. Cut 2 potatoes into cubes, wash them well, and then put them in the oven for grilling until they are cooked. 2. Take the potatoes out of the oven and put them in a suitable pan on the fire, then put a spoonful of olive oil. 3. Then put 2 eggs and stir the ingredients well and put a small amount of salt. 4. It is better to serve this dish with lettuce salad to get the most benefit.